Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one is about Facebook business pages and what to do when you get a comment that you don't like. So here is a short example. When we get to the actual post that we want, and we get to the actual comment that's here, it's in very light, but these three dots, you can see where it will say, put your mouse over it, and it'll say delete, hide, or report this. Of course, we can click on that. This is where we can delete it. We can hide the comment. Of course, we can give more feedback. So it is as simple as that. You can go ahead and solve those problems. While you are on this phase of cleaning up bad comments, you may also want to block or ban a Facebook user. So if you do that before you delete this or before you hide it, make sure that you get the user's information so that you can know that you're banning the right person. All right, thanks, and I hope this helps. You can look in the description below for more helpful information. You can also get a link to the next video, which is how to ban, and I'll also put that there in the description below. I hope this helps. You can always come over to BTFOOM.com and become a member and get even more in-depth and helpful tutorials.